Hello everyone, let's start our next class. So we'll learn again some kanjis. Our first kanji is the kanji of ima. The kanji of ima. Ima means now. So first, second, third, fourth. So this kanji ima means now. Another reading for this kanji is kon. So when we want to know like what is the time now, when we ask what is the time now, so that can be translated as ima nanji desu ka? Ka is what, G is for time, ka is for question. So ima nanji desu ka? So you can reply ima goji desu. So now it is 5 o'clock. Now it is 5 o'clock. Similarly, when we want to say konnichiwa as a greeting, konnichiwa, we can write it as kon, nichi and wa. Similarly, when we say tadaima, tadaima is an expression when we reach home. So as a greeting we say tadaima, I'm home. So we can use it as tada and ima. Next kanji is the kanji of aimasu. Aimasu, you can write it as aimasu means to meet. Another reading is kai. So if I want to say I'm very happy that I could meet you, I'm very happy that I could meet you. Okay, so oi dekite, o is the honorific, oi from the aimasu we can say I. Oi dekite, dekite, dekimasu, therefore taihen ureshi desu. So this is also an expression when you meet someone and you want to say and you want to express your happiness. Taihen ureshi, ureshi is happy, very happy, I'm very happy that I could meet you. Okay, and the vocabulary which we can make from kai is kaisha. Kaisha is company. And similarly shakai, shakai is for society. Next kanji we can do is the kanji of awasema. This is again another aimasu. Okay, this aimasu is to match something, to fit somewhere. So again we'll read this kanji as aimasu, which would mean to fit, to match, or to be right. Okay, so another reading is go. So when I say this curtain is right for this wall, okay, or this curtain is matching with the room, so this curtain will be kono katen. Kono katen wa heya ni aimasu. okay, or we can also say this clock is right. So kono tokei wa atte imasu. So here this atte imasu means to be right. So this clock is right. Next kanji is the kanji of kotaimasu. Kanji of kotaimasu is this. So first we will write this one, and then this part will come. So now kotaimasu would meaning of kotaimasu means to reply, to answer. So another reading is to. So if someone say, I replied yes, I replied yes. So in Japanese we'll say watashi wa hai to kotaimashita. Okay, so to kotaimashita, I said yes, I replied yes. Next is the kanji of tachimasu. Tachimasu means to stand. Tachimasu, to stand. And another is tatemasu, to make someone stand. So one is transitive, one is intransitive, to make something stand. Okay, and another reading is ritsu. So example sentence we can use it as a, if I say please stand, okay, we can say tachi nasai. Tachi nasai, it is an order form, stand up, it's tachi nasai. Or to host a flag, to make the flag stand. Okay, so to host a flag will be hata. Hata is flag. Hata o tatemasu. Okay, hata o tatemasu, to make the flag stand. So to host a flag, the phrase is hata o tatemasu. Next, we'll start the pattern. We have already done the verb agemasu, moraimasu, and kuremasu. So let's do a quick revision. So first, when we say agemasu, okay, it can be I give a book to my friend. So it will be watashi wa tomodachi ni hon o agemasu. Watashi wa tomodachi ni hon o agemasu. So agemasu is to give. Now the moraimasu. Here the friend is receiving the book from me, so we can change it, or we can also say I received a book. So if I say I received a book from my friend, so watashi wa tomodachi ni hon o moraimashita. Okay, since it is received, it will be mashita. Okay, now where do we use kuremasu? Kuremasu is only used when the receiver is either I or you. Okay, when receiver is either I or you, but the topic is the giver. So watashi wa here, I is the topic and tomodachi is the giver. So giver will become the topic now. Tomodachi wa, okay, watashi ni, and it will go similar, hon o kuremasu. Okay, so my friend gave me the book. And my friend is like tomodachi, friend will be tomodachi, book is hon, and watashi is me, gave me is watashi ni kuremasu. So with kuremasu, watashi ni is fixed and the watashi cannot be the topic. Okay, so watashi will never be the, or anata, okay, these two will never be the topic with kuremasu. Whenever we are using kuremasu, so it will never be the topic. When we are using kuremasu, watashi will never be the topic. In a sentence where kuremasu is used. Okay, so now we can learn some more sentences with the kuremasu. So if someone asks you, you like your grandmother, right? Okay, so Suzuki-san wa oba-chan ga suki desu ne. Oba-chan ga suki desu ka? If someone asks Suzuki-san wa oba-san ga suki desu ka, then Suzuki can reply suki desu. Yes, I like. Oba-chan is for grandmother. Usually it is Oba-san, but here it is Oba-chan in a more you can say conversation form. To add more love into the word, we use chan in spite of san. So Suzuki-san wa Oba-chan ga suki desu ka? Suzuki is saying, suki desu. Yes, I like her. And then giving the reason, itsumo okashi o kuremasu. Itsumo okashi o kuremasu. Yes, and she gives sweets always. Okay, so in this sentence you can see watashi ni is not found. Okay, in this sentence watashi ni is hidden. The person is talking about himself, so watashi ni, to me, is hidden. Okashi is sweet and kuremasu is to give. Next is, I can say another sentence. Oishi wine desu ne. It seems it is a oishi wine desu ne. This is tasty wine. This wine is tasty. This wine is tasty. Then the reply can come as, yes, Mr. Sato has given. Okay, so it was the A is talking to B. Sato-san ga kuremashita. Sato-san ga kuremashita. France no wine desu. So this is a French wine. France wine. Okay, who has given? Mr. Sato has given. So here also watashi ni is hidden. Okay, so you can say watashi ni Sato-san ga kuremashita or Sato-san ga watashi ni wine o kuremashita. That is also okay. Now next we are going to do is te form of the verb plus agemasu or moraimasu or kuremasu. So first, why this pattern is used and where? So this pattern is used to show the favor the one has received, to show favor. Mira-san, party no ryori. There was a party yesterday and a person named Mira has cooked food. So we can say Mira-san, kino party no ryori. Kino no party no ryori. Zenbu de tsukurimashita ka? Mira-san, kino no party, yesterday's party, no ryori, food, zenbu, all, jibun de tsukurimashita ka? Jibun de, by herself. Party no ryori, jibun de tsukurimashita ka? Then the Mira can reply, Iie, no, someone helped me. Okay, so some person, maybe Tanaka-san. Iie, Tanaka-san wa or Tanaka-san ni tetsudatte moraimashita. Tetsudatte moraimashita. So, Mira-san, kino no party no ryori zenbu jibun de tsukurimashita ka? Iie, Tanaka-san ni tetsudatte help. Moraimashita received. So I received help from Mr. Tanaka. So this is how we show favor received from another person. It is always in the te form plus in moraimasu. Or let's see the another example. Did you go by the train yesterday? If someone asks, again A is asking, Kino densha de ikimashita ka? Kino densha de ikimashita ka? The B is replying, Iie, no. So did you go by train? No. Mr. Yamada sent me in his car. Okay. So Yamada-san wa kuruma is car. Kuruma de Yamada-san ga kuruma de okutte kuremashita. Yamada-san ga kuruma de okutte to send. Kuremashita. So obviously Yamada-san has done a favor by sending me in his car. Kuruma de okutte. Next is, I can take the another example. Someone is asking, maybe I ask my brother, no? Ototo haha no hi ni. Haha no hi is Mother's Day in Japanese. So, haha no hi ni okasan ni nani o shite agemasu ka? Agemasu ka. So nani o shite agemasu. What will you do for her? Okay. So someone is asking for the younger brother, what will you do for mother on the Mother's Day? Okay. So the younger brother can say that ototo can say, I'll play piano for her. Piano o hiite agemasu. So agemasu when I am doing it. Moraimasu when I am receiving it. And kuremasu is also when I am receiving it, but the topic is the giver. We can have some more examples. Let's see. First sentence is, suppose we are taking kore wa Brazil no kohi desu. No kohi desu. And Santosh-san ga kuremashita. Okay. Santosh-san ga kuremashita. So now we can add these two sentences. Kore wa Santosh-san ga kureta 브라질のコーヒーです。Similarly, we can see the another sentence as Koreva. I received tea from Mr. Wan, who brought it from China. Koreva Chugoku no ocha desu. Chugoku no ocha desu. And it was brought by Wan-san. Wan-san ga kuremashita. In all this kuremashita sentence, watashi ni is hidden. So, kore wa Wan-san ga kureta Chugoku no ocha desu. Another use of this pattern, when we are doing a favor by sending someone to lend someone, when we lend something or to send something, or when we teach something. So all these favors will be with te form of the verb plus agemasu. Okay. So first sentence we can say Watashi wa tomodachi ni okane money okane o kashite agemashita. I lent some money to my friend. So kashite, to lend. So that is a favor. Next we can say I dropped someone at the station in my car. So kuruma de eki made, eki station, eki made till, kuruma de eki made okutte agemashita. I dropped him. So that is again a favor. To drop someone, to see of someone is okurimasu. Now the third is if I teach something. So I teach my elder sister, I taught my elder sister, okay, Japanese. So Nihongo o oshiete te agemashita. So I taught that person. Similarly, if we use the same pattern, verb te form plus moraimasu, I received a favor. So someone taught me watashi wa moraimashita. So watashi wa I received favor from Tanaka-san and he taught me Japanese. So Mr. Tanaka-san, watashi wa Tanaka-san ni Nihongo o oshiete moraimashita. So here oshiete moraimashita, I was taught. Japanese by Mr. Tanaka. Second, you can see, and he showed me the picture, okay, of his travel, okay. Yamada-san. So, watashi wa Yamada-san ni Ryoko no shashin o misete moraimashita. So Ryoko is travel, Sashin is picture. So when someone is showing you the pictures of his journeys, travel, he is actually giving you some closeness to. So it's a kind of favor considered in Japan, because someone is giving you the opportunity to feel close to someone. So misete moraimashita means I received the favor, I saw the pictures of his travel or his journey. So this is how we use te moraimasu. Next is, we can say te kuremasu, which we have already done. We see here. So here we have done okutte kuremashita, to send someone, no? Okurimasu. We can use this te form of verb with kuremasu to show the favor received. So watashi ni will remain hidden, or we can write it too, but it is a fix, and it can also be anata ni. Or any name can also come here. Who gave you this? Okay. So when we say dare ga kono pen o katte kuremashita ka, when there is a question in this line, dare is who, kono pen, this pen, katte is kaimasu, to buy, kuremasu, to favor. So anata ni is hidden here. Who gave you this pen? Who bought you this pen, basically? So that is a favor. Anata ni is hidden. So reply can be tomodachi wa kono pen o katte kuremashita. Here watashi ni will be hidden because I am replying it for myself. So tomodachi wa watashi ni kono pen o katte kuremashita. My friend bought me this pen. So this is how we use agemasu, moraimasu and kuremasu with te form of the verb to show the favor done or received. So here we'll finish the class today. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.